Elves on the run. You want to sit on there? Well, I hope it's allowed. Do you want to? Come on then. Come on, lover. Keep going. Ah, the princess of the house. Yay. That's it. Come on. You can't. Sit down. It's not gonna move. Yeah, Alicia is scared. Mommy, sit. Just to take a photo. Come on. Come on, they are watching you. My YouTube people are watching. Sit down then. It's not scary. Your mommy drives every day. How can you be scared? No be me born you, my pikin. Oh yeah, come on. Here they are watching. So lift the jacket up then. Hey, abroche ba. I should share no Eskimo. I will woman. Opo and over to sit down. How is that? What's the name? Then I abroche bo soka. Boga. Abroche. Quay. Keep going. Hello, my people. So, let me catch up say. I upload current, and I mean current vlogs. Yesterday, in my green juice video, I told you I was traveling today. To Quankre. After 9 shift, my name is Bana. Yeah, Coachelle. Hey, Brony. Ciao, my. More kisses. I'm a friend. Charlie, subscribe for me on my bro. I'll catch you later. We're waiting for the train. Let's have a look at it. Wait. Yummy. Hey. You go and pay. No. Sorry, no. Hello. Which one do you want? Ali, come on, lover.
I want sausage roll.
Yeah, that's the one I'm getting. It's a different one. Here you go, lover. Oh, yeah. On the side? Oh, I think it's working. Thank you. Come on, lover. You get that. Keep going, love. So it's platform number 3, right? First to pay. Any money come, but hey, lady, now the lady I bought the sausage roll from. Also, anything else? What kind of the orca? Now we heard him. I'm saying what? I say anything else? I'm saying bro for pounds or the. Anything else? Any casabeno? Who can bro for uncanny? Anything else? See. But now near the Kakra. The pastry shop. Let's have a look at what is here. I eat purposes. Okay. So any it's entertaining a case in nine. The Casamon would journey of fear, Maka say, eh? Casan would journey, I'll say, you're no any. A coffee, a budia. What's its name? Unicorn. And in case you don't know, the toys in our movie. What is the America president said? Honor Betty, Linda, Bella. Udium. Ubetse Abana. After 9 shift, Quaba, why? We offer like you did. I subscribe, and I'm here. See later, you grow away. We've arrived at our destination and we've eaten some delicious jollof rice and chicken. Well, she didn't have the chicken, as you can tell. Man, no cray chicken, so I had them. What is it? I hope you all are doing well. Merry Christmas from pretty Alicia and her sweet, lovely, pretty mom. Makope, right? Yeah.
I have a Christmas jumper.
Yes.
And Rudolph is there too.
I think I need turn around so I'll show them. Hey, madam. What's sorry, opposes the over. Allah, mommy too sure. Yay. If I don't move, me you. Free Christmas.